My name is Beverly Ejiri. I work as a senior research fellow at Noguchi Memorial Institute for Medical Research. Based on what we did for the tricycle project, we actually took the germ or the bacteria and then we opened the bacteria up and then we looked at the content of the bacteria. So for example, what is making the bacteria resistant? So we opened the bacteria up and then we investigated to see whether bacteria from the environment and bacteria from animals and humans, whether they look alike. In other words, whether there's some form of transmission in the environment across the humans and then across the animal sectors. So we found very interesting results in the sense that we noted that similar or the bacteria that was found in the environment were similar to those compared to animals and then humans. And most of them had genes that showed that they were resistant to a wide range of antimicrobial agents. When they say something is ESBL E. coli, it means that it has something known as an enzyme which breaks the antibiotics down. As a result, when you are given the antibiotics and you are infected with this ESBL bacteria, the medicine will not work because you have a germ that has an enzyme that is breaking the antibiotics down. So this is a very, very deadly situation or life-threatening situation because it means that when you get sick with these bacteria that are releasing the enzyme, that are breaking the antibiotics down, you will not be treated, there will be treatment failure because no antibiotics may work on that particular infections. Now, what we have to do as a general public is the fact that we need to prevent infections in the first place. Because if we prevent the infections, you will not be infected with bacteria that is carrying the enzyme that is hydrolyzing or breaking down the antibiotics. So we have to prevent infections by washing our hands, making sure that we are washing our hands. When we wash our hands, we are not only safe from these deadly pathogens, but from other pathogens and all that. We have to also make sure that when we are giving antibiotics, we take the full course, because when we take some and we